YouTube, this is Mendes Mechanics, back at you with another video. Okay, I have this 92 Cub Cadet 1440 with a really bad electrical problem. I'm not really sure. So if I come over here to the solenoid, then if I touch this one, my test light should come on, but it's not. If I go to this one, it does. I'm not understanding why this one has power when this one's supposed to have power. So when I turn the key, this should open to this one, and this one should let the power go all the way to the starter. But every time when I turn the key, nothing turns on. Everything has voltage. My lights have voltage, but they don't turn on when I turn the key. So I'm not sure if it's a bad ignition switch, because I just replaced it. That's a brand new ignition switch. Brand new solenoid. Brand new switches. Every safety switch is brand new. Even the starter is brand new. And it doesn't want to turn over. I'm not sure why, but I don't know. It's kind of confusing. If you have anything that helps, comment down below.